explain what I'm doing here. These original things had little brackets on it, and they originally went like this. They were kind of like, I'll show you. They're little brackets. I snipped them off with tin snips to get them off. So I tried to make another one out of this stuff, but you can see the problem I had bending it. And the other little prototype bend, where the hell is it? Where did it go? There's another piece around here that bent that didn't come out as any good either. So instead of trying to make it like this shaped, or should I say like this and then inward, I decided to make it this way. This way I can just easily plant it on the board like that. Screw here, bolts here, done. Don't know how the hell I'm gonna put a screw through there, but yeah, oh well, whatever. This actually comes out straight. In the next video, you'll see me bend. Next thing I'll cut in, you'll see me bend this part, and then what I did to get this part to bend a little better is you can see in the corner, I sliced a little notch on my bandsaw just so it gets a perfectly straight line. So stay tuned, and I'll show you what I'm doing here. Hello, folks. I'm using the Diacro finger brake to bend a piece of metal. I hope so. I'm bending this thing right here. Right there. That should be good. A little more. Ta-da! See, I already did the other one, but this one is maybe it's a little. I gotta bend this one a little, but it's fine. I can always tap that on the counter. So stay tuned and keep watching. I'll show you what I'm doing. Just doing some boring shit, drilling holes. Not exactly the most exciting thing to watch, but hey, you know what? It's a video. There we go. Perfect. Perfecto. Ta-da. Got that bracket made like that. And I got this one made. 2 sets of brackets. I'm gonna clean up the mess and I'll get back to this video. Alright, folks, I'm using 1, 2, 3 blocks. This is 2 inches, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and I'm just basically scoring lines because, well, you know, measure once and play twice. And see, here's the thing. This bottom part here doesn't match the holes on the hibachi. I realized I needed at least another inch. This bar has to be another inch longer before I can even, doesn't even, like, make great door handles. Yeah, for real. So anyway, we'll try this again. Next. So there we go, try it again. Alright, folks, this is what's going on here. I had this thing, which basically went like this. Hold on here. Let me bend it back so you can kind of get the gist of it. This little piece of metal here was the original brackets, like that. Those 2 ends, but I can't hold it like that. So then I tried to fabricate. Try my first round at making it. This is what I ended up with. not knowing what I know now about bending metal, you know, you have to... First I tried doing it on the brake, but I was like, how the hell do you do it on the brake? So, because you can bend this part on the brake, but you can't stick it back in because it doesn't. So anyway, that part, basically, this was another one which I was like, how the hell? So anyway, got that done. So then I figured out that you can do this. If you slice a notch in here in the bandsaw, they kind of bend better. So I got these 2 door handles made, pretty much door handles. And what happened was I'll show you this right here. What's that noise? This right here, and these ones, the holes didn't line up. So I had to make bigger ones so that the holes do line up. Now the question is will this fit on there? Well, I need screws. What the hell? So I don't know. This might just screw down there and might be a little wobbly. But you know what? It's a $5 hibachi. It ain't getting any better than that. So, and then that basically is going to screw down onto this board. This thing is actually longer than the original. And basically I'm going to put some bolts through here and screw it up top. This might be a little wobbly. I don't know. I can see why they did the other way. But my other option is I slice it off here and slice it off here and just bolt the ends on, and I don't know. Maybe just tack weld it across. Be easier. What a pain in my ass. Other option is I take out, if this doesn't work and it's too wobbly, because now that I realize it, there's the word Taiwan in the way. So if it was like, what is it? That's a flat spot, it's a flat spot, it's a flat spot, it's a flat spot. Taiwan's in the way. So maybe I have to grind out maybe I have to cut a little chunk out of here just so it fits. I don't know. I will see, but for the most part, this is done. Yay! And I'm gonna just mock it up so it looks, and then go from there. Thanks for watching. Hello, folks. One of the problems I was having is this. This was too high, this is different height. Then I had this problem, which, you know, see, there was a slight difference. But then I realized, well, you know, when you use the same recipe each time, you get the same part. So now I got this, which is, yeah, it is roughly the same. See? It's a little bit of a turd here, smaller, but you know what? One side is just a little bit corrupt. So yeah, here we go. Will work good for me, a couple of thousandths of an inch off. So I'm going to work on this and I'll get back to you because there's a lot of banging and I don't think you care about seeing this little part. So folks, here's the problem. If I put these on here, which they go really good, I actually did a pretty good job. If I put this on here, it's too dang skinny. And these original ones, tabs, used to go on like this, and it was like this. But I don't like the way that sits. So what I'm probably going to do now is find some 1 inch angle brackets. And I'm going to put it right here. Try to put them all on there. I'm going to sit it on a flat piece of metal. I'm going to tack weld it. I'm going to tack weld a flat bar on here, not this big, and then I'm going to attach that, because right now this is stupid. It's too, mind you, it's fine. I mean, it'll work fine. It works like the original, but I find it too skinny. It's like your typical mini hibachi, totally unsafe. I just want to get them to right about here. Just so it's, I want these wooded things to be almost even with here, like this. Almost like on the edge like that. So I figure if I got a plate, put it this way. That's my dilemma. Could leave it like that. Could call it quits. Say I'm finished. I mean, I did modify this to go on there. Modify that to go on there. I should have just lopped. Actually, I could do that. I could lop this off. And that's another idea. I could just cut this off and put it facing that way. Meaning I could chop this and this off and then put one this way and one this way. Hey, you know what? That might be even better. Lop it off and bend them. Ooh, I like that idea. See, we talk out loud. But right now I don't like, this is like, what? There's less than 5 inches here, holding up a thing that's almost 10 inches. I would like at least 6 inches or more. I would like it about, yeah, at least 6 inches. I'd like this out at least, from side to side, at least 6 inches. Overall, it came out pretty good though. Anyway, thanks for watching. And I'm going to bundle this all together and see what you think. Hello YouTube, it's me again. What's my problem now? See this? Built a nice little set of legs. But they're too damn close together. So I might actually just build a freaking steel plate, weld some legs on and do it like that. Because, I don't know. This, it sits fine. It's not ultra wobbly or anything. It's just stupid looking. That's all. It just looks dumb. It looks like it's too close together. I need legs that spread out like a little further. So I think I'm going to fabricate something a little better than this shit. Basically, it's gonna. I still want it to be 2 inches high, but not like this. Not like this. So maybe I'll make a. Maybe I'll cut out a steel plate, cut the middle out, bolt it on, and put a. Make some. I don't know, some brackets or something, because this is stupid. This is stupid, stupid, stupid. Stupid looking. So anyway, I'm going to end it here because it's getting late and I gotta go home. So, toodles. Enjoy.